I just made this AC hose. I bought this Mastercool unit. Eric from Minnesota had a video and he used a kit like this. Maybe it's the same kit. I'll link the part number in the description. This would be the high pressure side hose. I had to order some more fittings for the low pressure side, but this would go on. It would attach on the discharge side of the air conditioning compressor, and then to pretty much into the condenser. This fitting is in, the one on the bottom is out, and then the one going to the bottom is one I now need fittings for. So here's my dryer. Still need to put in the orifice tube, but I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to keep everything capped off until I get more parts in so I can finish up the lines. I don't want to install this one because I would have to take this off and then put the manifold on that, and then pretty much I wouldn't have it capped off on the suction side. So that's kind of what I'm up against right now, ordering parts. I don't know who in town sells air conditioning parts. I live in Kansas, so, and it's the weekend, so I'm kind of dependent on the internet right now. Other than that, the crimping kit that I got seems to be working just fine. I actually kind of like it a lot. So anyways, I'll get some more fittings ordered. Okay, bye.